Hello traders, welcome back to Simply Forex, the channel created to help you understand trading. Guys, we're going to do the daily trade review where I look back at yesterday's trades. And if you stay till the end of the vid, you're going to know exactly if and why and how I entered the trade. So let's get started. So there was only the one trade from yesterday, guys, and it was Euro Pound. Okay, and we were looking to sell this pair. We're going to start with the weekly chart. All right, and you can see that we were in this downtrend. Okay, we were getting lower lows, lower highs, right? So we're in a downtrend below the moving average 20. And you can see this area of what was once support. Yeah, price had reacted with a nice big bearish candle. All right, so weekly was telling us to sell this pair. All right, now if we drop down to the day chart as well, you can also see that we had a trend break, right? So price had come down, we was in that downtrend, but then price started to build, right? And we found ourselves here, yeah? We started to make higher lows, yeah, higher highs, right? We was in this uptrend. I can even draw a line this side, it's like a channel. And then we broke out of this channel. Okay, so price broke down and then we retraced into this area of what was once resistance, became support, became resistance, right? So yeah, that's where we were, guys. We was at this grey zone and we were just looking for sells. You know, it was a good area of resistance and we was at the moving average 20 as well. So double whammy resistance at this level. So the idea was to take it back down to these lows here, right? That was the idea. If we drop down to the H4, well, it wasn't really a H4 trade, guys, but you can see on the H4, yeah, we were just ranging. And we still are really, okay? But we were just ranging between here and here, all right? And then if we drop down to the H1, yeah, it was just, as I said, guys, right? You know, every morning I plan my trades and then I execute as per my plan, right? Simple as that. And basically when price come back up into this grey zone, you can see price has reacted here before. We got a bearish reaction. Yeah, I entered, right? So I entered here, all right, and then put my stop above here, okay? But what I also wanted to see, you can see this blue trend line. I also wanted to see a break of that blue trend line. This happened after my trade, but I just wanted to see that as another piece of confluence and to confirm that my trade was a good idea, right? And we'll look at that very shortly. But entered here, put my stop above here, and then just took price back down to these lows here, right? Literally, you know, to the pip. Took profit and then price come, you know, storming back up. All right, but I closed 80% here. And then because news was coming out, guys, right, you've got to protect yourself, yeah? So Fed Chair Powell was testifying. You can see there's a level in here. So I just moved my entry. Well, my entry was here and I just moved my stop loss just to above here, guys, right? So when price did come shooting back up, I was just taken out of this trade, you know, and still made a couple of pips on the remaining 20% as well. Okay, so that was the trade, good trade. And let me just explain this blue line here. It's basically a trend line, but on the M15, guys. And I think I explained this in the live stream yesterday, guys, but all I'm using the M15 for is confluence of the trade. Right, and this is that M15 structure we're talking about. Price kept respecting this level. Okay, you know, we actually entered in here, but then I'm just looking for a break as well, right? So when price broke, it gave me the confidence to, you know, or just give me another piece, another reason to keep in the sell trade and support my trade idea, right? And then when we broke out of here, look how it retested that level, used it as resistance, and then just came, you know, tumbling down ever since. All right, guys. So, yeah, that was Euro Pound, and that was my only trade idea from yesterday. But if you enjoy my daily trade review and looking back over the trades, then please subscribe to the channel, smash the notification button. And also, guys, it's worth mentioning that we have a free Discord channel. So if you would like to speak to like-minded traders, then you can do just that. And if you would like more than that, and you would like to receive my trade signals, you would like to receive numerous tutorials, and you would like direct access to me, then please come join our VIP Trading Academy. All right. And you can get loads of discounts and free entry to these things if you sign up with one of our preferred brokers. All right. So check it all out, guys. I hope you have a great trading day, and I'll see you tomorrow.